Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav on Monday transferred rupees 489 crore to 20,652 private school in Khirkia, Harda. The amount is fee reimbursement under the Right to Education Act for the 2023-24 academic year. Nearly 8.45 lakhs students studying free in these schools will benefit. Officials say funds have been credited directly to school accounts to ensure transparency. The move aims to support private schools offering education to underprivileged children without charging fees. This is among the largest single disbursement under the scheme in Madhya Pradesh this year, signaling a strong push toward education equity. A new hoarding outside the Congress headquarters in Bhopal is grabbing attention. The poster reads "I love India, I love Rahul Gandhi" and includes slogans like "Jai Bhim, Jai Bapu, Jai Samvidhan" along with images of key Congress leaders. Party spokesperson Praveen Dholpure has claimed responsibility for the banner, calling it a message of unity and constitutional pride. After similar posters in Ujjain and Indore, this latest one is seen as part of a political campaign strategy. The hoarding has sparked conversation ahead of expected election activities in the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will hold his first physical review conference with top officials on October 7th and 8th at Kushabhau Thakre Convention Centre, Bhopal. Collectors, commissioners, SPs, IGs and DIGs from across the state will attend. 8 major agenda points have been outlined by Chief Secretary Anurag Jain. Senior officers were present. Progress report after which the CM will outline administrative priorities. The two-day meet will focus on governance, performance review and strategic planning for the upcoming year. Officials say it will serve as a benchmark for evaluating field-level performance. Senior IPS officer Manmeet Singh Narang has been appointed Special Director in the Intelligence Bureau. The Department of Personnel and Training issued the order on Monday. Narang, a 1994 batch officer from Madhya Pradesh cadre, is currently serving in IB and will continue for 2 more years. His elevation is part of a major reshuffle involving 11 IPS officers in central security agencies. In a separate move, MP cadre IAS officer Neeraj Kumar Singh has been relieved to take charge as a special assistant to a union minister. Both appointments reflect growing trust in MP officers at central level. A 19-year-old woman collapsed and died of a sudden heart attack while playing Garba in Khargon. The incident occurred in front of a Durga idol where she was dancing with her husband during a festive celebration. Locals rushed to help, but doctors confirmed she had died instantly. Identified as Sonam, she showed no visible symptoms before the collapse. Health experts say such cases may occur due to overexcitement or undiagnosed medical condition. The celebration turned into mourning as the tragic news spread, leaving the community in shock during what was meant to be a joyous occasion. A youth performing dangerous scooter stunts in Neemuch created chaos on Sunday evening and ended up grabbing a policeman's uniform when stopped. The incident took place near Macy Showroom Square. The boy was reportedly driving zigzag, risking lives and jamming traffic. When police intervened, he reacted aggressively, sparking public outrage. A video of the incident has gone viral on social media. Police say such behavior endangers public safety and cannot be tolerated. A case has been registered and strict action is expected. Authorities are also reviewing CCTV footage for further leads. A part of the old Prime Minister Excellence block at Bhopal's Hamidia College collapsed on Monday. Luckily, no one was in the corridor when the structure gave way. College principal Anil Sivani said he had passed through the spot just minutes before. The block has long been in dilapidated state with repeated requests for renovation reportedly ignored. Though no injuries were reported, the incident has sparked fresh concern over campus safety. Students and staff are now demanding immediate repair and government intervention before another such mishap occurs. In a disturbing incident from Shergarh village in Guna district, a farmer allegedly cut the edges of 12 buffalo that had strayed into his field. Police have registered a case against the accused and his son following complaints from villagers. Victims include Kripal Singh, Bhaiyalal Lodhi and Lakhan Kumar. The buffalo reportedly entered the field while grazing. Locals were shocked by the cruelty and demanded district punishment. Authorities are investigating further. The case has triggered anger in nearby villages, with animal rights group also expressing outrage over the brutality. Madhya Pradesh witnesses mixed weather on Monday with Bhopal seeing both sunshine and sudden rain. Gwalior also received light shower while heavy rainfall was reported in rural parts of Dindori around noon. The weather department says an active monsoon and low pressure system are influencing conditions. A yellow alert has been issued for light rainfall across the state over the next 24 hours. Locals welcome the unseasonal showers, especially farmers who are hopeful it will be benefit delayed crop. Authorities are monitoring rainfall pattern for any potential crop or transport impact.